All right, we ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, what are we taking out today, Harrison?
1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme.
What a bump key car.
I know, right?
mean, no hesitation whatsoever. It's like she wants to run. Yeah, this is a very cool car.
Oh, it's excellent.
Right,
I love this interior too.
I do too.
Brown color.
Especially against the white body.
Yeah.
Take her around the block, see how she feels.
It's so smooth.
Oh man, what a cruiser.
Oh.
I love how these cars just feel over the rough terrains and the bumps. It's just so cush.
Yeah.
But it also feels very well planted as well.
Oh yeah, for sure. And it's got plenty of power. You know, it's Rocket 350.
Yep.
It's got a 4-barrel carb. It's got power brakes, power steering. It's got factory air. It's really nice. It's just a great cruiser.
Yeah, I mean everything you'd want in a classic convertible, you know? All right, we'll take it down our legendary bumpy road and just show how well she handles these bumps. I mean, it just absorbs it. Not bouncing all around the place, no hands on the wheel.
It's like you're on a cloud.
A very good description, yeah. A lot of that's to do with the plush in the seats too. I mean,
Oh yeah. Yeah, these seats are very comfortable.
I wouldn't say you sink into them. I mean, they're supportive, but they're very comfortable. Oh, what a relaxing drive this is. Glad we picked a nice cool day to bring it out. This is another one of those examples of a car that just is a pure survivor. I mean, it's in very good bones, good shape, everything works.
And it really stands out in this, you know, Hurst Olds kind of livery that they put it in.
Yeah. It's kind of the best of both worlds for somebody that wants to, you know, kind of feel the experience, but not shell out with a real.
Yeah.
What a perfect exhaust note. It's not overcoming.
It's quiet, but it's, you know, it's just loud enough to let you know it's there.
Yeah.
You got a big V8.
Brakes feel phenomenal. Oh yeah, I could get used to this.
It's really like the best cruiser that you can get.
It's modern car smooth.
Oh yeah, no doubt.
And here we are, 60 miles an hour, and she's just chugging away.
It is a great car.
I'm surprised the brakes feel so good. Shifts real nice. Just a great car all around.
And power top. You don't have to get up and do it.
What a plus, right?
That's nice.
And we'll show that in a minute, how it goes up and down. I mean, this car has nothing to hide at all. Well, there's around the block and, you know, showing it driving, shifting, all of it, everything it has to do. Now we're gonna do a nice walk around and show the top, and we'll get some outside shots. So, awesome. All right, now we're gonna walk around this 72 Cutlass. You see that beautiful Hurst Olds livery. Really pops. Paint is in great condition, as well as the chrome work. And the iconic paint matched wheels. Personally love that style. What a gorgeous car. All right. Front grille. Start showing the gaps in the panels. This is a very straight car. Front door. Back of the door. The gaps around the trunk lid. And the back of the passenger door. And the front. Okay, we'll make our way inside and show the interior. Door panels are phenomenal. Moving on to the dash. Such a great color combination. These are how great the condition of the seats are, as well as the carpet. You have your Hurst Olds floor mats as well. That's your back seat. All right, let's make our way to the passenger side. Show the other angle. Notice how well the doors open and shut. That's a true representation of a very straight car, nothing out of whack. All right, let's take a look inside the trunk. It's all your jacking instructions, your spare. Such a solid car. See, gas gauge is working. No lights on it at all. This actually has functioning AC. It's already getting cold. That's so cool to see. All right. And we'll show the speedometer working as well. Go. We're going to show you the wipers. You see, they work, self-park. And now we're going to go on to the top.